As you know, cryptocurrencies are becoming more popular and have a lot of benefits for us. One of those benefits is the possibility of making money online, and we will talk about that in this video. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to always know when a new video is released. Let's start. You have all heard of the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Well, when Bitcoin was first introduced, no one expected it to blow up to the heights it is soaring today in terms of value and popularity, along with other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Monero, and Maker. So you are wondering how to make money from cryptocurrency, and if you are too late to board the money-making train that it spawned. Luckily, the time is better than ever, and investing, trading, mining, and staking are the best methods of making a profit. Number 1. Investing. One of the most popular strategies for making money with cryptocurrency is investing. It essentially works the same way as you would invest in a business, but there is a small twist. Instead of putting in your money and seeing the business boom and making a profit back to you on its own, it is much better to use the buy and hold strategy. Of course, this is a bit risky, like any investment, since you would be putting your money into something that is not worth anything at the moment, only to sell it in the time of need by others. If you are looking for a long-term strategy on how to make money from cryptocurrency, investing is certainly the one for you. This is especially the case if you have an understanding of the market and can predict the shifts that are going to happen in it. Number 2. Trading. Unlike investing, trading is more of a short-term strategy where you are going to make profits in bursts. To do this, you have to own some kind of cryptocurrency to begin with and trade them on one of many platforms for another currency. Trading involves a bit more risk since the crypto market can be quite volatile. The prices can increase and decrease in a matter of minutes, which is why this strategy requires you to have good technical and analytical skills. Because of that, we would say that this option is recommended for those with more experience with cryptocurrencies, while the investment is much safer for newcomers, especially if they are interested in more popular cryptocurrencies. Number 3. Mining. The term mining is something you have probably heard 100 times already, not only because it is by far the most popular method of making money through cryptocurrency, but also because due to its popularity, finding PC parts became rather difficult, thus you could have often heard about it on the news. Mining a cryptocurrency is the option that has the least risk since you are generating the currency into your wallet via mining rigs. The only bigger risk is if you are going to keep the currency and mine more of it by the time it drops in price or not. To become a highly profiting cryptocurrency miner, you do not have to put as much effort as you would into the other methods. However, you will have to invest some money into mining rigs, which are essentially PCs that will do nothing but run a program that mines the cryptocurrency. And of course, you might struggle to find the parts for those rigs as well. If you are a risk chaser, mining can give you the biggest boom in profit if you jump to mine a cryptocurrency that is very easy to generate while it is also increasing in value over time. Number 4. Staking. The technique that is recommended only to those who are experienced with the world of cryptocurrencies is staking. How to make money with cryptocurrency via staking, you wonder? Well, it essentially puts you into the role of a bank. Any coin you come by, whether it is by investing, trading, or mining, you can lend to a network so it can use them in their transactions, giving you a small percentage for each transaction. Finding a network that has a lot of trading is the key element in thriving in profits via this technique, which is where the previous knowledge is very handy. So what do you say? Which of these cryptocurrency earnings do you like the most? Maybe one of you is already making money online from cryptocurrencies, so you can share some advice with us. Whatever you want, advice or opinion, write to us in the comments. We would like to know it, so feel free to write it. If you haven't by now, subscribe to our channel and press the bell to be notified when a new video is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day and see you soon.